guys, Salt Light here. Thank you so much for joining. This is the first unboxing video that we're partaking in. It is from CodeBros and Logitech G South Africa. Thank you so much for sending over this headset. It's the Logitech G ProX headset from Logitech G with blue voice technology inside the microphone. Okay, Pro G 50mm driver, which is in your ears, the very advanced technology, as well as the blue voice software. The headset itself, they're saying on the boxing that it's made out of aluminium, and the headband is steel. The ear cushions are premium leather, and then it's a memory foam ear cushion. Let's go into the actual unboxing of the headset itself. If you are younger than 13, please be advised that your parents should be with you when using a dangerous object like a knife or something sharp. We wouldn't want any injuries. Please use adult supervision. So let's go into the first little plastic. The worst thing would be me telling you guys not to use a knife or cut yourself, and then I go ahead and cut myself, but luckily we didn't. So put the sharp object away. Let's go into the packaging. Fold that open nicely. Here we go. This is the contents of the box. First thing that we're taking out of the box here is your USB sound card. As you can see, you got a 3.5mm jack in, and then your USB out. Then we got the wrapped headset. Wow, this is really sturdy. It's much heavier than I expected it to be. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so that's the actual headset. Look at the quality, guys. It is absolutely insane. You got some comfort padding here, you got your memory foam here. I actually think this is also memory foam, the inside of the headband, which is quite cool. We'll go into detail on the headset itself. What do we have here? Oh, we got replacement ear pads, guys. This is key. This is just the inner. This is replacement pads. So this is like a material alternative if you're not happy with the leatherette finish. You have a normal material finish, which we won't be using. We'll keep this as spare. Oh, this whole thing pulls out. Let's just make sure that there's nothing in here. Look how cool is that? A little Logitech G cutout over there. Just some attention to detail in the packaging. We got the manual as to how to connect it to your device. Just some instructions and safety, compliance, warranty information booklet. Wow, look at this. This is so nice. This is actually like a wetsuit material. Carry case bag. It fastens like normal. You just pull the strings and it tightens it. Okay, so you got, the nice thing about this product is you got this is the blue technology microphone, right? As you can see, it is a detachable item of the headset, which I really like. As a streamer and content creator using an XLR mic, you will almost always want to remove the headset mic because it tends to be always in the way. The headset that I use now, it actually pushes into the headset itself, but with a detachable one you can store it away for further use when you want to test it out, which we'll do in the video a bit later on. And then here we have the splitter for headset over here, microphone over here, which goes into your sound card, your built-in sound card. Okay, so over here we have the two different cables. They vary in length. This, you can see, is 3.5mm jack for your for your phone. It's a shorter cable for your phone. Obviously, one goes into the one goes into the headset, one goes into your phone. You can actually see the little stickers over here, which says which goes where, but I don't think it makes a difference which end goes where. And then this is your PC one, obviously into your headset, which is indicated by this label, and this one goes into your USB sound card in that end, and then that plugs into your PC. So let's get cracking into testing it on the PC itself and the cell phone itself. Alright, now with all the components, as you see here, there's obviously different methods of connecting things to different consoles, your PC, your cell phone. I'm just going to take you through a little walkthrough how to connect everything. So obviously your main component would be your headset. If we turn it upside down, you can see two inputs. This would be the out into your device, and this would be for the microphone. This little hole here. You can see actually they made it really user friendly. The microphone has like a little a notch in it, and you can see in the headset itself there's a notch as well, so you can only put it in one way, which helps a lot. Thanks Logitech for that. As you can see, it simply just plugs into the headset itself. So we've got a cell phone over here. We can go into Spotify, and then what we want to do is we can take the cell phone. It's labeled over here. It comes out of the package like that, like I showed you earlier. Just take the cable tie out. Your headset, simply one way. There's no ways of breaking it except when you're using it with force. So you got your headset plugged in, and then for your cell phone, simply plug it into the headphone jack over there, and you should be good to go. So here's your fabric on the headset itself. It's got this trim over here. You just simply pull this back, run your fingers around the inside to take it off carefully, and you'll see there's a fold in the spare that you see here. You just tuck that in there. So if you want to use your microphone into your PC, obviously you'll stick this one in your headset like we did with the shorter cable, and then the other end, instead of going into your cell phone, you'll connect it into the splitter, one being your headset, one being your mic, and you have a green for your headset and a pink for or a red for your microphone. This correlates with your motherboard sound card, and you just stick it into the color that corresponds with one another, and you should be good to go. If you are a competitive gamer like myself, where sound is key, especially when you play FPS games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Overwatch, PUBG, you name it, all your FPS games, sound quality needs to be the best. And if you've got a spare USB port, I would strongly recommend you use the sound card that they supply with the unit. So obviously this would be then your cell phone or your device that you plug into. This obviously goes into your computer, and then one side, which is indicated by these tags again, headset, will go into the headset. This goes into this end, and you should be ready to go. I hope you guys can hear me, because I can't hear myself. It is insane the amount of sound, external sound deafening. I cannot hear it all. I might be shouting. I'm sorry about that. I'm not playing anything. This is without it. This is without it even playing the song. The song is on It's paused. I don't know if you can see that. It is paused. But hearing myself speak, obviously through my ear channels, I can hear myself, and it's so muffled. The sound cancellation on this headset is insane. Let's just hit the play button over here and see what the quality sounds like. Obviously, I don't have any equalizer on the cell phone. I'm switching it all off as I want to hear the crispness of the headset itself. I do not want to hear the headset with an equalizer included onto the sound quality. So this is purely just plain sound. And if I play sound, I can't hear myself. I can't hear myself. It is so insane. I mean, I can't hear this. This I can't hear. I can't hear it. It is insane. Obviously there's a little tinge of sound, but when you escape the rest of the world, you're in your own little bubble when you put these on your ears and you escape everyday life, which is fantastic, which I really like, and it's a personal favorite for me as well. So now simple switch between the phone and the laptop. You just unplug it over there. Got the laptop over here, headset over here. This laptop does not have a microphone port, so I can simply just plug this in here into the audio jack. Now I'm seeing that this little rocker over here has a little microphone included. Obviously this here is not the Blue voice technology. This microphone will be the Blue voice technology. But this is simply for taking calls and a simple microphone like that. So if you don't use your USB soundboard, which they provided you within the packaging, that's just a little simple microphone within the rocker. So like I said, simply switch between the cell phone onto your It works exactly the same on your laptop as your PC. Obviously I'm using the laptop for ease of making this video. This microphone, I would definitely test it on stream, so if you want to pop in, have a look, link is in the description. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 7 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. South African Standard Time, so please pop in. I'll probably use this the whole week, next week, for you guys to hear what this mic can do. I have seen streamers, obviously CodeBros themselves, are partnered with Logitech G, and I support him. He's a very good friend of mine. Watched his streams where he uses only this mic as a streamer, only this. He's got no XLR mic whatsoever, and I must say the sound quality is crisp and clear. I have no idea what presets he has on the mic or filters. I doubt he does. He is a sound snob, if I can use his own word. Jean, forgive me, but I love you, buddy. Anyway guys, that's it for the review. We're going to pack it up, store it in its little carry bag, and then we're off. Once again, thank you so much for CodeBros for giving away this this headset. Thanks. I'm very fortunate to have won it. But as well, thank you so much to Logitech G South Africa. I'll leave all of their links in the description below. Please go have a look at them, follow them. They're absolutely great people, and you would not regret it. Thank you so much for everybody watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Remember to spread love, be kind, and you do everything with a pinch of salt. Cheers everybody.